Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. Let's go over Cardano. Yes, the market is bleeding out like crazy, but we're buying the dip. I'm going to give you guys some hope here. The last video, the Ethereum as well as the DOGECOIN, guys, it's honestly not looking too good. But let's go over a little bit of the news here for Cardano to give us a little bit of hope. Institutional money moving to Cardano and Stellar as Bitcoin and Ethereum take a breather. CoinShares. So this is interesting here. In a new report on the digital asset markets, CoinShare unveils that while many assets are bleeding institutional money, ADA and XLM are receiving positive inflows from big investors. And they go down here to show the flow of assets down here and it flows by providers. So this is positive that although, Bitcoin, Ethereum is dropping, Bitcoin is the rising tide. We all know that. If Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go down. Your portfolios go down if Bitcoin goes down. That's just what happens, okay? Take a look here real quick over at tradeconfident.io, the market metrics. I'm going to kind of fly through here because I covered it on the other videos, but this is hopeful for us, guys. The short trades have dropped out. Why would big money take out their short trades? Well, because they have a lesser chance of their short trades winning. Well, what are they doing? They're actually shifting their money over into long trades, and I'm going to show that to you here in a second. But short trades have dropped out of Bitcoin like crazy. This gives me some hope. Right now, I can almost feel it within the market that a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, I'm just going to sell. I'm just going to sell because we're just going to keep going down. There was a prediction article out there on the Dogecoin video that Dogecoin's going to 5 cents. Watch my video on Dogecoin. I'm a little frustrated with the article, but there are some people who think it's going to go down that low. So I'm not going to pick a side. I'm just going to use technical analysis, and we're going to get in here and trade the best we can. So short trades are dropping out on Bitcoin. That is good for us. Trades in favor today over the whole crypto market. This is obviously the good long trade section. If we get down to the great long trade section, obviously, I think big bulls and big whale and institution are probably going to get in here and start scooping up the price. But let me show you guys the actual institutional whale money flow at the bottom. The death cross has happened. I know this is huge in a market. When the 50 crosses below the 200 MA, this is what's considered a death cross. This is not good for bullish markets whatsoever. This is being pumped out on the news as well. So this is a new statistic I've added over here to the morning market metrics. If this green can get above the red again, that is a good sign. But at the moment, we are actually we're in a death cross, guys. And not only is it a death cross, but it has actually been confirmed. So nothing funny about that, actually. Emotional market index, we see that we're heading down to anxious and fearful here. But take a look at this, guys. The well and the institutional smart money, they are buying this dip. Last time we got this money flow this high up here and the long trade started peaking out, this is when we actually found the bottom we saw the bottom of the market, and we actually got a really nice move back up here. This is correlated to the structure low down here, probably around $3,000, just a little bit above that. So if we can get Bitcoin to get a lot of long trades in here, that would be nice. I'm letting you guys know the big institutions in the whales, they're buying this. Okay, so is it a good time to sell? I'm not financial advising you guys on this, but I'm telling you, institutions are buying this. And when they do, they spike the price, they spike the price, they spike the price, spike the price, spike the price, okay? When they sell, they drop the price. When they sell, they drop the price. When they sell, they drop the price, okay? So just keep an eye on this every morning with the well and the institutional money flow. You guys are going to be able to see where the long trades are and where the short trades are and how they're playing the market. They are buying this dip. FYI, okay? I am trading with the whales institutions, and I am buying this dip. I actually just got triggered in for all of you guys who've been watching this channel. I'm down about $600 this morning. Yes, that's not fun, but I'm going to keep it live, and I'm going to keep it honest. I got triggered into the ADA trade as well as the Ethereum trade in here, and we are good to go. This is actually a good thing, as I mentioned on the last videos. If we're going to get down this low, it's nice to get triggered into these moves because we only need about a 12% move to get us back to break even versus a lot of people who put all their money into this move up here. You guys need a 26% move to even get back to break even. I only need a 12. Everyone who is following this trade over at tradeconfident.io and you guys are live trading with me, you guys know that I'm using this great dollar cost average method on the top 15 currencies. Come over here, subscribe. It's completely free. You guys can start following all of these trades for all the top 15 coins. Okay, so ADA, I will come out with another update here if we start heading lower, but the last one I came out with, and then we're going to go over the actual the trade setup here in a second, look at a few more metrics. But I did call out this move here. We ended up hitting the buy limit, and we got it to push our entry down here. Is this the last one? Yep, this is the last one right here. So we just hit our second buy limit and a new break-even entry of $1.41. This lowers the entry, and this helps us gain back profits faster as the rubber band effect takes place. I did a video on that yesterday. I'll try to link below in the description. So as far as the price versus the well money flow, As mentioned in the obviously the institutional money over here, we are seeing them buy it up. On this short term over here, this is also a place where it is positively correlating. We're at the bottom. This is when you can start seeing this start turn around, and this is when the price structure with the whale money flow, if positively correlated, will push really, really high. You'll get very nice moves in the market, and it will start heading up very fast. The trend exhaustion has historically been incredibly accurate. When we get down to the bottom points here, this is when we start seeing moves back up. It's only been on this move, and I covered this on Ethereum. The last 6 moves on when we got the trend exhaustion this low have all seen a great move up. It has only been this one that caught people on the wrong side of the market. So everyone who went long here, they had their stop losses down here, in my personal opinion, probably around here at about $1.30. They got those hit, and now they're covering their losses, maybe trying to short or just getting out of the market and selling the position. The next greatest support down here that we could head to is about $1. Okay, that's where my next buy limit is in here, is at $1. Okay, guys, and then I have another one set up down here at 50 cents. I know people when they saw this are like, oh my gosh, really? You think it's gonna go to 50 cents? I don't know what the heck's gonna happen, okay, guys? But I'm just gonna get in here and be prepared, and I'm not putting all my money in one spot. I'm dollar cost averaging so I can buy into these dips as we go so my portfolio can handle it. Yes, I am down about $600 today, moving back up here a little bit, $580, we'll call it here. We might start moving up pretty fast. I do expect to see a little bit of a pump here. Again, you guys need to be watching every single morning. Come over to tradeconfident.io. I will be charging for this eventually because it takes actually a lot of manual work to update all this and then the metrics that we're pulling. But this is very good news for us. The shorts are dropping like a rock, okay? This is telling me that the big boys and the whales that they're trying to short this are not confident that it's going to keep going down too much. If they were, what would they do? They'd put more shorts in the market. Well, guess what? They've made a lot of money already on this drop, and if we can watch this chart over the next few days, if the long trades can start coming up here to the top, that will be very good news for us. The whale money flow and the institutional smart money, they are buying this dip. This is very hopeful, guys. Stay hopeful. I'll keep you updated on all of these YouTube videos. I'm live trading on every single one of these. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I think you guys will just really enjoy this channel. Live money, live, unbiased reviews. Everything I say in here is backed up by money flow or news, not getting my emotions involved in this, and it's unbiased. So I hope you guys enjoy that. God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.